Hi Stampers, it's super awesome stamper Shirley Merker. I have been a demonstrator for 17 years. I'm a Silver Elite from Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, USA. My tip for the Leaders Takeover is to host Zoom office hours. So I currently host Zoom office hours for those that purchase my monthly kits in the mail. The hours are towards the end of the month, so I can get as many customers invited to my Zoom office hours as I can. I host an hour on the fourth Thursday of the month from 1 to 2 p.m. and 6 to 7 p.m. Customers can pop in and say hi, get to know me, and get to know other people that pop into the Zoom room as well. So the Zoom room offers a way for customers to connect with me even though they don't live close by. And once they feel more comfortable with me and my stamping style, they're more willing to host a Zoom make-along party, which is my goal for the next few months, to host several more Zoom make-along parties. I will also be adding Zoom office hours for just my general customers. So for all of the people that I sent a catalog to, a new annual 2021 catalog, I'll be hosting special office hours for them towards the end of the month. In this way, I'll be able to make another point of contact via email to see if they need anything from the new annual catalog, and perhaps let them know about the current promotion where if they host a party, they can earn potentially more host rewards. So that's my tip for today. Try hosting Zoom office hours for your customers, whether they purchase outright products from your online store or they purchase from your kits in the mail programs, or if you've sent a catalog to them. So office hours help me stay in my stamp room, keep me focused on little smaller tasks. If nobody pops into my office hours, then I work on scoring cardstock and cutting it down, organizing my adhesive bin, or any kind of smaller tasks I can just drop if anybody decides to pop into my Zoom room. So try a Zoom office hours and see how it goes for you. Bye.